Hello and welcome to my Pecha Kucha presentation about 3D VIA, Virtools and Studio and how Dassault Value Selling can act to sell those products. So this is a part of Dassault that we know, the automotive industry. We know the cars very well and we want to sell to our customers an experience. We would like them to experience their product in a new way, to have a better feeling for the market and get feedback from the market. So this is a kind of business that we are not used to. So that means that we need to leave our comfort zone and get out there to enter this new business. So this is really difficult because usually nobody of us has the background. The applications used in that business are usually Maya, 3D Studio Max, soft image, and so forth. This is new for us. So it's something we have to learn. This is something we have to import to those applications. That is usually the input to Virtools or Studio. Then we could give life to those products, to give interactions, define user actions to use the product, to experience the product. They can then be deployed in an immersive environment, on game platforms, on the web, or standalone on desktops. So we have a complete portfolio that support this kind of deployment. But what we need and what we wish to have is a strong partner to go into that market, a partner who has the right background, who is used to do web applications, used to work with scripting. So it's very important that to find this partner who could help, for example, to help to implement, to deploy an immersive environment. So that could be a customer who usually is working on these areas, and he could also be a good reseller for Virtools, for example. We have the possibility to create interaction with motion detectors, so that there can be analysis of ergonomics or maintenance actions. It's very, very powerful. So this is something that we can do with the immersive environment, as well as training. People could experience their workplace before even being there. They could train to do the right actions in the right frequency, so that it is very efficient to work. And even more important is the training, for example, for a fireman. We want them to act right, and they really should know the building before the emergency occurs. So they could do a training with Virtools interactively. The Virtools and Studio can also be used to create educational applications, so that our children, or even adults of course, can learn more about history topics or geographic topics, any kind. Virtools and Studio can also be used to do design reviews. We know that designers need to experience their design. They want to experience the design before they can put the car on the street. So why not make the car drive around in an immersive environment? People can go shopping in an immersive environment. That's interesting both for those who sell products or for those who do the store layout. You can do a customer analysis, you can discuss the right layout of the store, optimize layouts. It's very important also for the democratic process in cities, for example, have new building projects. So this could be a way of the politicians present to the public their ideas and plans they have for the future. And of course, Virtools and Studio apps can be used for marketing and advertising apps. So in this case, Nestlé had launched this author augmented reality apps. That is a big success, and it's just a great game to play. But it's not easy for us. We have competition out there, and roughly we are 10 times more expensive than the competition. And it's not easy to explain the added value from our applications. But we have good examples here. We have already games and apps done with 3D Via Studio. And at the moment it's free to download. Everybody can work with it, test it. There are tutorials. So we have success stories here. We have examples. But the new kind of customers are not the one we're used to. Those guys are our customers now. They are used to play. They want to go, have things fast. They don't want to wait. They want to download and then to play directly. So this is, in a way, turning upside down all the value selling approach we had so far. So it's a new way of thinking we have to learn to sell the 3D via Virtools and Studio products. Thank you very much for your attention.